Questions or needed information, please proceed to the Magical Guest Relations Office at Victoria Park near the front gate. For safety concerns, please proceed to our first aid station at the Midway Boardwalk near Roller Skater.
Hi! Welcome to Enchanted Kingdom.
Experience timeless magic for only 3,800 pesos. Get your Experience the Magic card and enjoy an entire year of unlimited park admission and ride. Plus, exclusive perks like Express Ride Access.
Pasukin natin dito sa Enchanted Kingdom, mga kababayan.
Exciting freebies and
Hello, my channel
discounts await you. Head over to the group sales office today to grab your magic card and start creating magical memories that...
Tara, kuha tayong ticket today. Magkano ticket ngayon, ma'am?
Regular pack is 1,200.
Pag regular. Yun yung regular. Wala nang ibang mura.
As of now po, wala po yung promo.
So, ride for all ka na yun.
Yes.
Regular. Tara, sige, thank you. Pasukin natin. Kuha tayo ng ticket. Excited. Pasok na tayo. May ticket na ako. Tara na. Here we go. Welcome to Enchanted Kingdom. Today is Monday, December 23. Hi, mga kachana sa Mantabi. Tara, ikutin natin ang Enchanted Kingdom. Downtown today. So, panalo. Para na ako sa ibang bansa. More terrific. Parang nasa ibang bansa. Hello! Hello, something! Ang cute! Maraming tao today. Oh my gosh! Hello, madlang people! Hello, mga kalotlot! Welcome to my channel, Samantha Albit. Look at that! Hello. Pagay kaya ako dyan. Hindi kaya ako mahilo. Oh, my goodness. Tapos na. Look at that. Daming tao today. Tomorrow, siguro maraming tao. Ayun o. Treasure Island. Uwi tayo! Pasok ka dyan. Uy, horror.
Ay, 4D.
2,800 pesos. And your next one-day passes to the Magic Card for only 1,700 pesos. Enjoy access to express
Ikutin
lanes
natin to, ang
and
saya
exclusive
na.
perks, including a one-year pass to the park. What are you waiting for?
Tara na. Okay.
Magical day.
Tapos na tayo. Tagal din. Tagal ko nakabalik dito. May mga kainan dito.
One-year pass to the park. What are you waiting for? Head on to the EAFC Lounge at Victoria Park and experience the extraordinary. Upgrade to Magic Card today.
Mag-show. Ah!
A magical day. Experience less waiting time. Upgrade your regular day passes to the Magic Card for
Wow.
only 2,800 pesos. And your express one-day passes to the Magic Card
Ang laki ng
for
parol.
1,700 pesos. Enjoy access to express lanes.
Ah! Wala ka! Ang galing! Hala! Kaya mo pa yan. Ah! Ang galing! Ang laki ng parol. Grabe. My goodness. Napakaganda. Kung gusto mong kumain dito, food court. May mga food court dito. Wala, ayan na. Are you ready for the rumble? Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God, ang taas. Kaya na. For the kids. Itong gusto kong sakyan. Paris and Caribbean.
Picture lang, go!
Broadway party. Hello! Nandito ka lang pala. Ang cute! Hi! Nandito ako ngayon sa Shantan. Welcome!
Wala yan. Kanina sa atin ako.
Welcome! Welcome to my channel. Samantha IT. Nagugutom na ako. What to eat? For the kids. Ala, ang cute. Sinakyan ko ito dati. Sinakyan ko yan. Merry Christmas, everybody!
Tayo, kan. Dito tayo.
Okay. Okay, nandito ako, sasakay ako ng kabayo. There we go. Ready? Wow! Fountain! Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Samantha Albert. Don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel, Samantha Albert. Bye! Mission complete!